Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday and later today I'm going to upload a video which I prepared. This just a clip showing around in downtown Seattle. I hope you guys like it and subscribe in my channel. Then don't forget to share the Aloha. By the way, Ode is still sleeping and I just woke up like 2 hours ago and there you go, she's still sleeping. OMG. But it's okay. Well, this is my second monitor and I'm trying to edit as much as I can. My name is Ian at the gum wall, but then I don't think so I will show it to the vlog because the clip is so shaky. But anyway guys, thank you for watching and mabuhay. Watch this.
Think I can fly, think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die. Chase the morning sun when I'm with you. Give it all away.